Hi guys, I'm here.
Yeah. I know. Just move away from us.
Okay, why are you always bullying me?
Just move away from us
Move
now.
away from us now.
Okay, fine.
Même avec de lubrifiant, ça marchera jamais.
Finally, he's gone.
Let's do a face reveal.
I go first.
Toujours les Jules.
I'm Charlie, and I'm 16 years old.
Well-loved bestie.
Ty.
I am Sophie. I'm almost 16, but I'm 15.
Ah, la chienne de vie.
Et alors, patati,
In my
t'as jamais
turn.
dit que les artistes ça crée dans la souffrance?
Ah, quelle chienne de vie.
On est les rois, Jules, on est les rois.
Let's change our
Ah, cette
avatars.
chienne de vie.
Great
Chut,
idea.
ça commence.
Ugh, I have enough bullies. I need to find a way for them to stop bullying me. I need Robux. I am going to ask my mom. Can I have Robux?
Okay.
Yay. Let me change my avatar now.
Okay, I look so cool.
Let's see how he reacts.
Who are you?
It's us. Law, remember.
I'm okay.
Cool
Anyways,
avatar.
who are you?
You're hot.
It's me, the bacon.
Oh my
OMG.
God.
PLs, forgive us.
Fine, but don't bully my sister.
Can we play?
Sure, but not for too long, brat.
Stop calling me brat or I will tell my brother.
Shut up.
Ugh.
Bye.
Here's 400 Robux for being a little nice.
Yes.
Order pizza, pizza, pizza.
It's pizza, not pissa.
IDC. Yummy. Ha ha ha, I didn't share.
Get back here now.
What have you done to my little sister?
Charlie did it. Sounds like it hurt.
Lol.